can you define a simple route in Laravel? And what would be a real-life example? A simple Laravel route maps a URL to logic. For example, /about display and about us page on website. Number 2. How do name routes work in Laravel? And how might you use them in a real-world application? Name routes assign identifiers to URLs. For instance, route profile redirects users to their profile page dynamically and maintainable. Number 3. What is the purpose of root group in Laravel and how might they be used? Root group is allow shared attributes like middleware or prefixes. For example, admin. Roots group for authentication protected administrative dashboard. Number 4. How does middleware work in Laravel and how you can provide a practical example? Middleware filters requests before re- reaching controllers. For example, Auth middleware restrict dashboard access, ensuring only log-in user can view content. Number 5. How can you handle form submission and CSRF protection in Laravel? Laravel handles forms with CSRF tokens automatically submitting forms, safely prevention cross-site forgery attack, and protect sensitive users submitted information effectively.